Good day everyone. I am Joshua Rich Harris Colorado from BS ECE 3-1, and today I will be presenting to you our quiz in research on how to use a given data set on WEKA. So our professor sent us an a file that contains this two types of cacao. The first one is the Trinitario cacao, and the second one is the Forastero cacao. As you can see, each of the said cacaos has 250 samples each, and it is a total of 500 samples. So what we should do so that we can use this Excel data before converting it to CSV and looking at it in the WEKA is edit this file. So 500 samples is too many, and let's remove the unnecessary attributes that not needed in classifying this data. So we will change this. As you can see, there is a 1 and the next one is 2. So 1 meaning is Trinitario cacao, and number 2 is the Forastero cacao. So we just need to replace it by its name and uh, have its title as class. The next one is removing these cells so that the cells will be shift shift left shift cells left. Then there you have it. And another one is the sample. For me, it is unnecessary because we don't need to classify the number of samples in this data. And you delete also, shift cells left, and you have your data. So the samples are 250 each, so it's too many. Let's make it 150 for the Trinitario and 150 also for the Forastera, which has a total of 300 samples. So after I already converted and deleted the other samples, here it is. As you can see, this is the file that I edited a while ago before I start. So I'm gonna save this dataset quiz 1 version 2 to our CSV format. Then we'll open WEKA. We use the ARFF viewer. Open the file, find the converted file to CSV. Here it is, open. Then as you can see, is the data that we have. So let's convert it to ARFF. Excuse me. Close this window and click the Explorer. So now we are going to open the file, find the ARFF file that we had. So here it is. You can visualize all the samples here. You can see here are the attributes. So this data has a total of 300 instances, meaning that it has 300 samples and 23 attributes. So the next one would be classifying. So let's classify. For this, we will use, since it has 150 each sample, we will use 5. So it's 5 because the 20% of 150 is 30, and 150 divided by 30 is 5. So let's look for any possibilities. So bias net is low percentage correct classified instances. The next one is the naive bias. Nothing. 50% only. 63. 69%. Let's go to logistic. Oh, it's 86, much higher than 60% a while ago. So the multi-perceptron. Oh, it took 1.3 seconds, but it has 83.33. The SGD, it's the same. It's 84%, as you can see. 84 again. It's a very low percentage, which has a 55.6667. The IBK, it has 75. So JRIP has only 76. The next one is decision table, has only 73%, 61%, 72. I think the other classifiers are like them. It has a low percentage. So far the highest with the using 5 folds is the 85%. So what we're gonna do about it is use the training set. We're gonna use the training set and find the needed percentage, which is 90 and above. So as you can see, still haven't got the 90. Let's go to logistics, and there you have it, the 90% correctly classified instances in the classifier logistic. And let's try this multi-layer perceptron. It has a 99.333%. It shows the highest percentage as of now. So let's look at the other ones. SGD has 85, SGD Text has 50, Simple Logistic has 85, SMO 84, Voted Perceptron 51, the Lazy IBK, it has 100%. For the 100%, I think it might not be good in your research paper because it will be called overranging. So 100% is not good to use in your research paper. It's the same as the IBK. The third one is 77%. Let's go to meta. Bagging has 94.33%, which is a good classifier also because it has 90% above percentage. Attribute select classifier 76, 87. There's a problem. We cannot use that as classifier. 50, 81, Logic Boost 86, 90. Multi-class classifier is 90. Multi-scheme, 100% also. I think this is 100% also. Let's go to the other one. Rules, JREP, 85%. Decision table, 80. 1R, 75. Part. This is 94. So it is still a good classifier for our research paper. So as you can see, the good classifiers are 94%. Rules, the part. This the the other one. So as you can see, the part classifier has 94% of correctly classified instances that we this means that we can use this in our research paper. The other ones that got 90% and above percentage and we can use in our research paper are this simple logistic which has a 84. No, rules, not this. You can see we're reviewing these datas to find the best and suitable uh, classifier for our research data that we can use in our research paper. So this logistic, the classifier logistic has 90%. It is good. And this classifier, the multi-layer perceptron has 99.333%. It has a very good correctly classified instances. So I think we can use this in our research paper. The next one would be the multi-class classifier, which is a 90%, and the other ones are 100%. And as I said a while ago, it is not a good classifier because the data would be called overranging. So that's it. There you have it. This classifier that got 90% and above, we can use this in our research paper. So that's all. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned a lot from me. Thank you.